how to redeem or use your OldNavy gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem and use OldNavy gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To use your OldNavy gift card online, open up your browser and then just go to oldnavy.com. I will also make sure to drop a link down in the description box. So you want to open up your browser and then just go to oldnavy.com. Now when you go to oldnavy.com, you want to make sure to simply sign into your account. So tap the three lines icon over here and then make sure to simply first of all sign into your account by tapping the sign in button from the top of the screen. Once you tap the sign in button from the top of the screen, it will ask you to simply enter your email address. Make sure to enter them, tap and continue, and then make sure to also enter your password in this case. Once you've entered your password, just tap the sign in button. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is just come back to the home page of OldNavy over here. Once you come back to the home page, what you want to do is you want to add the products that you want to buy to your cart, right? So just come to the OldNavy home page and then select the products that you want to buy. So I'll just select any random product over here just to show you guys. I'm just going to select a random one here. So once I select a random product here, I'm just going to open the product page and then I'm going to add this product to my bag by selecting a color and then selecting a size and then selecting the quantity. And then here I'll just select free pickup, and then what I will do is after I've done that, I just need to select the number of quantities here. Once I select the number of quantities, I'll just tap the add to bag button. Once I've tapped on the add to bag button over here, you can see the checkout button. So just tap on the checkout page. Now when you go to checkout page, it'll simply ask you to verify it all this, and you can say ship to address or pick up or whatever else. And under my points and reward, if you look over here, you can see it says point balance and so on, and then here you can see the point option. So all you need to do is simply make sure to enter your point over here. Once you enter the points, you'll be able to find the redeem button and your gift card will be successfully redeemed on OldNavy. This is simply how you can redeem and then use your OldNavy gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.